Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Fourth Kalma Tawheed. La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu yuhyi wa yumitu wa huwa hayyun la yamutu abadan abada zul jalali wal ikrami biyadihil khair wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. There is none worthy of worship except Allah. He is only one. There is no partners for him. For him is the kingdom, and for him is the praise. He gives life and causes death, and he is alive. He will not die, never ever. Possessor of majesty and reverence. In his hand is the goodness, and he is the goodness, and he is on everything powerful.